go browse Target. Haven't shopped in Target in quite a while.
She's putting all our cards down on the table, knowing there's no way that you'll be able to win this one. But she's somebody else in the making. First, she just gotta stop all the faking, and she'll be there. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Somebody say, don't be afraid of loving yourself, 'cause that is all you got in the end. You got in the end. But she's wondering if it's gonna feel like she's forever. Wondering if it's gonna feel like this whenever she leaves her safe space. She leaves her safe space. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that will make her feel better? Make her feel better. Then that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own. Wondering if it is forever, or is there some place that'll make her feel better? Make her feel better. And that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Yeah, that's where she'll go. That's where she'll go. Talking to myself 'cause I don't know what I want. Yeah, I'm here talking to myself like someone's gonna respond. I'm getting tired of myself 'cause I don't know what I want. But I'm not out here on my own.
I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I keep it factual. I'm on sabbatical. I'm out in Central America. I need a break from hysteria. Park like the one with the carousel. I get it lit in your area. I'm locked to the vision, it couldn't be clear. You couldn't pay me to care enough. I dare you to hate me supreme with the sound through the stereo. So turn it up loud when you hearing us. We live and it's good in your area. My mama proud, she tearing up and it's going down. Got your girl aroused by these massive stacks like 100 pounds. Running big laps till the sun is down like 100 miles. Tinted frames on me leaning down. I'm winning now. Been a while, you ain't like me then, but how you like me now? Real one, if I hold you down, I'ma keep it there till we in the ground. Jet black when I paint the town, only blue sheets when they pay me now. Treat it setback like a step back. Wave, I got the game in a vice grip. Way up when the virus clear. All the homies on the flight list. Verbally gifted, take the plot and I twist it. Got it big lit. Sex with the incense, got my mind rents, won't stop, I'm relentless. I'ma need safety. Tell her I can't snake me. Ray gun off safety. My girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world. She want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't faze me. I'm going, I want a girl for the mouthpiece, so bright that it light on my face. Your shawty just call me a fave, cause she like my character traits. I never stop for a break. I put a lock on the game. I put a stock in my name, but I give a f about the fame. I took a bite of that life and it tastes so exquisite. It feel like you do when you look in my pendant. Hopeless romantic, my girl, chin up for the kid. I'm not on no simps. Won't stop till the youngest he dreams. Wanna take him from rags to riches. I heard that you claim that you know me, but you ain't the homie, the f is your friendship. I need the loyalty, bag up the royalty. I give a f if you notice me. Ain't nobody holding me. Big wave at your shoreline, so they know it's me. Babe boy from the cold seas. Nitro with a new pen, go at ISO, tell him don't reach. Ice cold with it, no fleece. I'ma need safety, tell the op can't snake me. Ray gun off safety, my girl so tasty. Tell her it's your world, she want the two-tone spaceship. Blow smoke screen daily, so the stress don't face me. I'm going, hey, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave, hey, look, I'm going, yeah, I'm going, crazy, wave, yeah, crazy, yeah, look, I'm going, crazy, wave.
Try one of these cold brews. These are 2 for $7. plant-based, non-dairy, almond milk, caramel, vanilla.
Too old to put on a show. Now I found a home. I'm filling my soul up with devotion and stardust. I'm bold, got it all in control. Now I know what I want, like a natural woman. You know I'm not a girl anymore, and I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I need you, I'm needy, I need him every day. Now I'm confessing, I need his caressing. In the real world, I don't want no one independent woman, but we're living a fantasy, and I'm craving him desperately. And I'm not going anywhere. I got a good guy. He's blessed with ease and care, swaying, obeying me till I get there. I got a good guy, feeling more than right in his care. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Feeling more than right in his care, so I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. And you know I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere. Feeling more than right in his care, I'm not going anywhere. You know I'm not going anywhere.
I did end up doing a little shopping at Target and CJ Maxx. Target, you saw in the video, I was looking at those yoga mats. I did buy one of these exercise mats. I thought I had one before. Can't find it, but I need this. That was $5 in the little $5 section. Their little dollar section wasn't about anything. And I bought this from TJ Maxx. I can't even remember what it was. It's been a couple days. Okay. I bought this mug. It says Queen, and then it has a keychain on there. So I'll probably use that keychain on my keychain, but it says Queen B actually. As you see the B, it was $7.99. I thought this was a super cute mug. And I ended up picking up some workout clothes. So it's just some leggings. They were on clearance for $12. I think they're the 90 Degree brand. high rise with the side pockets. I love the side pockets so I can put my phone in there. Just some black leggings, a black and white Adidas long sleeve that was on clearance for $10. And then some blue, dark blue, navy blue leggings that were on clearance for $12. This is the RBX brand. It's high-waisted also, and it has side pockets as well. I think I have some dark blue ones, but for some reason, I'm thinking something, I tore them some kind of way. But that was it. 2 pair of workout pants and a shirt and my mug and mat. And that was it from Target and TJ Maxx. Oh, no, it's not it. Go to Starbucks to try it before I bought this stuff, but I ended up buying let me move my camera down, the Stoke cold brew coffee, and then I bought some plant-based non-dairy almond milk in the flavor caramel vanilla. And I said I wasn't going to buy any dairy, but this was on sale. It's the Starbucks creamer hazelnut mocha macchiato, and this was on sale on clearance for $2 as well. I've been seeing all of these YouTubers try the cold brew coffee. I am a hot coffee girl, but I've been seeing everybody say how good the cold brew is, and so I wanted to try it. I did try it at Starbucks. It was pretty good. I got the vanilla. I don't know if I even got the right one. I think I got a vanilla latte. But yeah, I'm gonna try this, and I'll probably show you how it comes out. But that is the vlog. I might end it here just with me showing you that I made my cold brew coffee. That tastes good.